Okay, so I'm working on a learning progress spreadsheet here where you can monitor your results. You'll be able to see a graph of your results, and you'll be able to see what results that you think you need to work harder at. Okay, so this set of results is going to be my Christmas results here, but you could have any set of results down here on different tabs. Okay, and I've merged 3 cells up here. So I'm just going to type in here now. And we will start to make it look good already. So I'm going to just highlight the subjects here. Okay. So so I put in the grades here according to this grade system here, which I just imported from Google. All right, I just manually typed in the grades here like that. Now, I want to put a chart here, okay, because the chart is going to really give us a visual indication as to how we're doing, as opposed to all these numbers. Now, a chart needs 2 sets of data. Okay, so we have our numbers here, and we have our subjects here. So I'm going to highlight this range of results here, and I'm going to go Insert, Chart. Okay, and this is what we get, the pie chart. Okay, and 9 times out of 10, the student will just leave this into their folio on whatever subject they're working on, the pie chart. No editing, nothing like that. Now, it is pretty good. You know, it's a nice way to see, but I'm going to show you a better way now to represent your data. So I'm going to change it from a pie chart, and I'm going to use bar chart, okay, or a column chart, okay, which I think looks better already. Okay, so we have percentage here and we have subjects here. We're going to edit this a bit more now. Okay, so we can basically change anything we want. All right. I'm going to leave that there for now. I'm going to go customize up here. Chart style. Okay, so I'm going to change my background maybe to suit what I've done already. I'm going to leave that. And I'm going to put a 3D. Okay, because I really like the look of that, because you can really see the difference in the subjects. Okay, so chart title. Okay, chart title. I'm going to get rid of some of that there. I'm going to leave my results, and I'm going to put that into the middle, and I would like it a bit darker. Okay, yeah, it's starting to look good. And the series now. Yeah, so I think we can leave that the way that is. Oh yeah, but data labels, I think looks great now, because we don't have to try to guess and see what it might be. We can now see clearly what each subject is at. Okay, yeah, it's just lots of font styles and stuff for that. Trend line. There's a trend line, give you an idea, but it's not required for this. Okay, so it might be good for other things. Legend. Yeah, auto. Yeah, we can leave that one. Horizontal axis. Yeah. Okay. You might like this, where we swap around the subjects a little bit in reverse order, maybe. Okay. All right. Vertical axis now. Show an axis line. Okay, I like that too on the vertical axis. Okay. Minimum and maximum. No need for that. Grid lines and ticks. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so a lot of it in there. I like the look of it. Yeah, definitely happy enough with that. And yeah, if you click on the chart, it'll bring up the editor, well, as to what you want to do, so you're not looking the whole time. So I might change that to that. Okay. So yeah, I got my red bars for my red tab, Christmas results. Okay, so yeah, now, yeah, that's good enough to see where you are in your subjects. Okay, and the good thing about it is, remember, if one of your results was wrong, so let's say like your Spanish teacher got back to you and said, "Oh, sorry, your result was calculated wrong. It's not 48, it was 88." Okay, so you'll see your Spanish changing now, like that. So it's all live all the time. So yeah, it's really good to monitor. If you're getting results every week, you can watch your bar chart changing all the time. Now, what I want to do now is to highlight some cells here that may be um, worked on. All right, so okay, so let's just say if you are getting less than 60 in one of your subjects, the cell here will change color. Okay, so we're going to highlight these cells here because this is where I want to apply my data to. I'm going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting. So under a certain condition, the cell will format. All right. So I'm going to apply this format to the range C4 to C11, and I'm going to say format the cells if it is less than or equal to. Okay, I'm going to put in a number here, 60. Okay, and we can see already it's after doing formatting for us. And I'm going to say we'll go, yeah, we'll go, I suppose red. I suppose we'll go red again. Red means danger, needs a little bit more work on that subject there. All right. Now I suppose we can put in another conditional rule here where we can say if our result is above 90, okay, it's perfectly good. You're doing great in that subject. Okay. So we'll say done for that one. See, there's one condition. And our next condition, we'll add another rule where we'll say in the same range, it's highlighted, if that range is greater than this time or equal to 90, and this time we'll go green for good, and then we will hit done. And there we go. So we can see two of our subjects need working. This one here is good, and let's just say we are after doing really well in an Irish test, and our result has now gone from 66 up to 92. Color changes as well all the time. So this document here is a working live document for you to monitor your results. Okay.